Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be making a video on fidget spinners. Now you all know what they are. They're these like toys you can use, you know, like bored in class or you know something to relieve stress or whatever. And they seem to be kind of a popular new trend. So I have two fidget spinners here. If you're from the school, you may have already seen them. So like this little kind of like a paint splatter mess over this one and this other one over here. And basically I'm going to be comparing them together. So we're going to start off with this one over here. Now this one cost me approximately £10 or about $12. I don't know how much it is now, but about £10. So it's pretty smooth, as you can see, like that. It's pretty easy to transfer between the hands there. You know, as you can see, holding it with one thumb. I'm trying to get it at a good camera angle. One thumb or one finger. But yeah, it's a pretty smooth, general. It's the most common design of fidget spinner. You can buy these anywhere on Amazon or eBay. Soon I will be making a video on a flick knife. I think it's called a butterfly knife. I've ordered one and I might do a video on that. And in case you're wondering, these ones, in case you're at my school, if you're not, just skip ahead a bit, but like a lot of people have been wondering if I'm going to sell these. At the moment I'm still debating about it because I've had like 15 people come at me with like tons of money, just like, hey, can I buy this off you, stuff like that, or can I play with it, or whatever, and it's annoying. I'm not rid of it. So now we have this one. Now this is kind of a smaller, more compact design, so you can see here. One disadvantage with this, like, it does spin quite well, and it is nearly silent. You can barely hear it. So it's better in class if you're, you know, trying to spin it without getting caught or anything like that. Or you can, you know, it's so small you can just spin it in your pocket, you know. And you're like, no, I'm not doing this. No. Yeah. I'm sorry if there's any background noise. My brother's playing in their car. The disadvantage of this, though, as you can see, I have like these ball things here. And basically it prevents it from being able to be spun on a table. I'll show you their capabilities on the table in a bit. But this one, I'm actually not sure how much it is because I can't be bothered to check it out. But I think if I had to guess, about £5. I don't know. Because I found this one somewhere. It does spin pretty smooth and it's silent. This one makes more of a noise, but the problem with this one, you can't take off these caps here. They're like glued or something onto it. And like the grips are kind of small. Like it's big enough for your fingers, but it's hard to make like little transfers, like so. But yeah, now we're gonna be doing the test versus V2. Okay, so now we are going to go to the test to see which one of these can spin for longer. So, we obviously can't spin them on the table because it's an unfair test against this one because that one can't spin, where this one obviously can. So, I'm going to spin them in my hand, like so, but I'm going to need the stopwatch over here just to make sure. So stop there. 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Which one will win? £10 or £5 fidget spinner? I think it's looking like the £5 going a bit slower. Still spinning though. So 31 seconds, as you saw there, is when this stopped. So this is futile compared to this. See how long this one spins until. So it stopped at 1 minute and 7 seconds, as you just saw there. Sorry about my late reaction to turn it off. But this spun twice as long as that one did. But I still really like this one. It's such a great spinner. You know, really versatile and small, easy to hide or easy to use. Whereas this one is just, you know, more for tricks and all of that. Play around with. It's really cool. I'm getting a flick butterfly knife very soon, so I'll be doing a video on that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and well, yeah, stay tuned for some more great videos.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.